Let me show you in this video how we use Cloud Code, the API, to build thousands of backlinks using Optilink AI. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you step by step. This is going to blow your mind. This is one of a kind software for link building that I don't see exist on the internet. So at Optilink AI, we have the software that is connected with almost all the AI through API and build thousands of backlinks. So in this video, let me show you something. We are here inside the Optilink AI tool, and here you can see all the AI that are currently connected and running using the API. So here we have ChatGPT, we have Cloud Sonnet, we have Cloud Sonnet 3.5, we have Cowork, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, we have Manus, GenSpark, Perplexity, Kimi, Grok. We also have the latest Coin 3.6 and the Chinese ZAI. You can see all of them are currently connected, and we can see the reasoning, the speed, and the context for each and every one of them. Connected and running, building backlinks continuously non-stop. This is crazy. And this is the strategy we are using to outrank the big brands, no matter how. My next video is going to show you how we also use AI and build programmatic landing pages that are ranking number one, and every page is different. This is not like changing city names or changing keywords. No, every page is 100% different, but then it's been built programmatically using AI. That is going to be in my next video. So if you are interested, consider subscribing to follow up. All right, so these are all the AI that we are currently using for the link building, and today's video is going to be about Cloud Cowork that is connected and building backlinks. So first of all, what we need to do is, assuming, let's say here you can see the features that we have here. I don't want to waste much time, so I'm scrolling down fast. Let me clean this. So let's say your how do we call it, your niche or your business is tourism, or let's make it simple, let's say marketing. So let me say digital marketing, we have it here. So let's say you enter your niche or keyword. So this is the keyword that we are going to use to find the backlinks. Okay, niche related backlinks. So here we have digital marketing, and the next thing I'm going to click is discover. So by clicking on the discover, you can see the tool is automatically through the API trying to connect with all the AI engines, all the AI models. We have cloud, we have Cowork, we also have DeepSeek, and is connecting slowly. And as it connects, you can see the authentication steps. It's showing you how it's being connected and what is happening. So let's give it a few minutes to see what's gonna happen. It's connecting to all the AI, and we also have Yahoo, we have Bing, we have Google. So everything seems to be working perfectly. This is the step one, to discover link opportunity. And the step two will be to activate our license. The step three is going to be campaign configuration. The step four is going to be AI selection. And the last step is to start running our campaign. So as you can see right now, they are running and the links are being discovered. Fine tune your campaign for maximum impact. Here we have crawling, found 15,000 URLs. And the reason why this is so fast is because you can see all the AIs running and pulling in link opportunities. So that is why it's running so fast. We have 47,000. We'll come back in a bit to check this. But before then, let me put in my license before this finish. It's going to be OPT. Okay. I'm putting in my license. I don't know if I get it right. I can only activate step 2 when step 1 is finished. So we have to wait for step 1 to finish. And let's see if you have any connection error or something. We have nothing. Everything seems to be good to go. All our AIs are live and working. All right. So let's see. Okay, so the scanning has ended. We have 101,000 URLs been discovered for our keyword digital marketing. Now the next step is let's activate our key. Okay, let me see. Let me try the demo key. Oops. I don't have any campaign left, and I currently have only one key. Let me pause this video to get some key. I'll be right back. All right, so now I'm back. I got my license, but since the site has been refreshed, so I'm not going to give the keyword again. I'm just going to upload a new URL, which is, let's say I just uploaded these links, and this is over 1 million backlinks. So we have options. We can get we can get URLs. We can run a campaign and get fresh backlinks using keyword. We can also upload existing backlinks that we already have. Here at Optilink AI, we have about 100 million backlinks in different niche that we use. So here I've uploaded, and the next is going to be key activation, activate. Now it's been activated. So what is going to be the next step, which is going to be to the settings, and you can see the settings is blinking. I'm going to scroll down here, and here we have live SEO metrics. This shows the metrics of the backlinks that we are running. So let me scroll down. Here we have settings. I'm going to enable my proxy rotation, which is already enabled. Click on Save Settings. My settings has been saved. All right. The next step is going to be to select my AI engine. Since today's video is about Claude Code, so what we are going to do is select our Claude Cowork. We have Cloud Sonnet 3.5, and we also have Claude Cowork, which is automated and help us to run this link building campaign. So I'm going to click on it. It says, are you sure you want to connect with Cloud Code? I say, yes, connect. So now Cloud Code is working in the background and is going to connect very soon. Before then, let's go to the top. Let's see the monitor, what we have here. Okay, right now it's showing us nothing. Let's go back to our AI engine and see. All right, Cloud Code connected. So Cloud Code is connected. So what's going to be, and here we can see the quantum tunnels 4.52. We can see the semantic intelligence now is 7% and the neural stability 0.98. Okay, everything seems to be good. Now the next we can do is start running our campaign. Let me hit on start. Okay, so now let me see in the setup, our campaign is now running. This is how it looks like. Campaign health is now 8%. Link profile strength is 85%. We have 97% success rate. And the neural process stream is also working. And here on the left-hand side, we can see in the background, the node, everything is running successfully. The connection is very good. And the AI discovery feed is showing us all the links. And here we have the live SEO metrics, which is changing, scanning automatically every backlinks through Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, Majestic, and we have the neural intelligence. So you can see everything is being scanned and showing us, and it's detecting automatically if we have spam links and they are being filtered out. This is how it works. Very professional. And this is how we build high authority using Optilink AI. All right. So imagine, let's say you are starting a new business or you already have existing business. You need two things to outrank your competitors, or three, let's see. First, what you need is link authority. You need to show to Google that you are an authority in your niche, and by having high authority backlinks, link relevance is also very important. And the next thing you need to rank is high quality content, your quality content, and not just quality content, but how your your content is being written. That is what is going to show Google that, hey, this site or this website has to be number one. And also now you can even be on the first page and you are not getting traffic because the AI overview has taken over 50% of the traffic. So that is why here we have AI crawler. And what it does is the AI crawler invites all the AI to visit your website, crawl all your URLs and rank you inside the AI, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Cloud, Google Gemini. You are going to be featured, you are going to be mentioned and going to be shown inside the AI overview. So let's take a look at the AI overview. When we click on it here, we can see we have enter URL and we have bots. So I'm going to activate some of the bots. What do we have here? Google bots. Here we have Bing, Yandex, Baidu, DuckDuck, Apple bots, Google AI, Open AI, Cloud, Perplexity, Grok, DeepSeek. So I've just activated all of these bots. And the next thing to do is to activate. Let me just put in some sites, some URLs for our trial. I don't know how big this is or how many URLs are inside, but then we're gonna find it out. This is loading. I think this is a very huge link that I just uploaded. I don't know. So just let me try one. Is still loading. But then this is, let's move to step two is homepage only. So if you want to rank only your homepage, you select the homepage only. And here, or if you have, let's say one level deep or 2 level deep or 3 level deep. So I'm going with 1 level deep. And what do we have here? Discover new URLs. No, we don't need it. Ignore robot.txt. Okay, let me activate it. Global recommended. So here we can make the bot to be like it's from North America, Europe. Let me select North America. Custom header, I'm gonna leave it like this. Quantum scan depth, I'm gonna leave everything like this as erase. And let's see by clicking on dispatch. Okay, so now it's running. Wait for bot dispatch. Okay, so it's gonna take some time to start running and show us all the submissions. So this is how we use the AI crawler to submit all URLs and websites to the AI, thereby making sure the AI find our site. And here we can see the backlink campaign is also running. Let me scroll to the top and go back to dashboard. All right, so everything seems to be working. Okay, so this is how you use Optilink AI in connection with Claude Code to build high quality backlinks, and everything is being done automatically. You don't have to do no outreach. You don't have to wait so many hours and send thousands of emails hoping that someone is going to approve and link your content and get you backlinks. With Optilink and Claude Cowork, everything is working automatically. Our AI engine, let's take a look. Here you can see the Claude Cowork is running and busy building our backlinks. So all we have to do is just wait. Someone may ask, is this really working? So let me show you, let me show you an example if this is really working. All right, so let me go to Google here. So this is recently one of the websites we created. I said in my next video is going to show you how we created this website. This is a German website, web design freelancer Germany. Okay, let me search on Google web design freelancer Germany. Here you can see we are ranking #1 for web design freelancer Germany. Let me make it web design freelancer Deutschland. Is also ranking #1. But one important thing to notice, this website is ranking not only in Deutschland, in Germany, but in every city. In every city in Germany. But then let me click in and show you how this website looks like. This is it. Web Design Freelancer Deutschland. And this landing page, as you can see, is also created using artificial intelligence. And my next video is going to show you step by step how we created this massive, beautiful website. So if you like this video, consider subscribing and follow up because so many important things are going to come up. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.